Insomnia, a pervasive and debilitating condition that surreptitiously erodes your sleep, your mental clarity, and your overall well-being. With a staggering global prevalence of over 1 billion people, insomnia's far-reaching consequences encompass persistent fatigue, mood disturbances, impaired cognitive function, decreased productivity, strained relationships, and a significantly diminished quality of life. Insomnia can manifest in various forms, including difficulty initiating sleep, maintaining sleep, or experiencing restorative sleep, leading to a perpetual cycle of exhaustion and distress. Its impact can be felt across all aspects of life, from daily routines and work performance to emotional regulation and physical health. As a complex and multifaceted condition, insomnia demands a comprehensive understanding of its underlying causes, which can include a combination of genetic, environmental, psychological, and physiological factors. Insomnia is not just about sleeplessness. It's a complex and multifaceted condition with a myriad of underlying causes. It can manifest as acute or chronic, and its impact can be far-reaching. Insomnia can be triggered by a combination of factors, including underlying health issues, chronic pain, sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, and other medical conditions can significantly increase the risk of developing insomnia. Lifestyle factors, irregular sleep schedules, consuming heavy meals close to bedtime, engaging in stimulating activities before bedtime, and excessive caffeine or nicotine consumption can disrupt sleep patterns. Psychological stressors, stress, anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and other mental health conditions can lead to insomnia. Environmental factors, noise pollution, uncomfortable sleep environments, and exposure to screens, e.g. smartphones, tablets, or laptops, before bedtime can interfere with sleep. Genetic predisposition. Family history can play a role in the development of insomnia. Medications. Certain medications, such as those used to treat depression, ADHD, or high blood pressure, can disrupt sleep patterns. Aging. Insomnia can become more prevalent with age due to changes in sleep patterns, health issues, or lifestyle factors. Hormonal changes. Hormonal fluctuations during menopause, pregnancy, or thyroid disorders can lead to insomnia. These factors can interact with each other in complex ways, making insomnia a challenging condition to diagnose and treat. Understanding the underlying causes of insomnia is crucial for developing effective management strategies.